Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. This palm oil and Ugba sauce paired with boiled yam will hit every part of your body so well. You will love this recipe. So let's get started. Let me show you how I made it. I started by boiling some yam. So I've already peeled my yam. All I'll do is to add it into the water and cook with a little bit of salt. Cook this until it is soft. While the yam is boiling or cooking, then we go ahead and make the Ugba sauce. So what I will do is in another pot, add in about 2 or 3 cooking spoons of palm oil. Allow it to heat up and dissolve or melt. Then go in with some chopped or sliced onions and salt. Fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes until the onions becomes soft. Gentle notes like a summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony. And while you're making the sauce, don't forget to check on the yam. So our yam is boiling beautifully, okay, but it's not done yet. So we continue with the sauce. Kitchen so heavenly. So after about 3 minutes, the onions is well fried now. So I will go in with other ingredients. We're not adding this much. I'm going in with just fresh pepper, which I pounded. Add pepper according to your own tolerance. Soft piano keys like simmering stew. Warmth in every melody flows through. I also have some prawns which I'm adding to this, but this is optional. You can leave it just like that. You can add this or any other protein of choice that you want to add, but you can leave it plain like that. Rolling dough and stirring dreams, cooking life's most tender themes. Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound. I will allow it to cook for about a minute. Then I will go in with the star of the day, which is our Ugba. So here I have my Ugba. I'll just add it into the oil, stir it, and allow it cook for another minute also. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano sigh, golden crust, the soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice. Conjure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. By the time I finished stirring and mixing the Ugba very well into the oil, 1 minute was already gone, so I went ahead and added some scent leaf. Nchuang, we call it nchuang in my language. Yorubas call it efrain. So what do you call it in your language or in your dialect? We call this nchuang, that is scent leaf. So add the scent leaf, stir it, mix it into the oil, and our sauce is ready. Making this will not take more than 7 minutes, maximum 7 minutes. Yes, the time you're taking to fry the oil and the onions, the pepper. But it will not take up to 10 minutes to finish making this. A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food. I tested it for salt and pepper, and the taste was a banger. Very yummy. Oh my god. And at this period, our yam is also ready. It's truly profound. Whispering flavors floating in. All that is left now is for us to serve and enjoy this healthy super meal. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope you'll be trying this. Yes, if you don't have Ugba and you want it, alert me. I will make it available for you at a little cost. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.
The air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found.